Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. We have heard about the word fibers. Fiber means a long thin thread which can be woven into fabric, and this fabric is used for making dress materials or any kind of material. Okay. So fiber can be classified into two parts, that is natural fiber and the synthetic fiber. What is the difference between natural fiber or synthetic fiber? Natural fiber, the fiber which is obtained from the natural sources like plant, animals. Okay, as we have already read about the cotton and the jute, these fibers are obtained from plants and animals, or we can say these are the natural fibers. So wool and silk are basically derived from animals, so these fibers are natural fibers. And last is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber also known as man-made fibers. Okay, so we are going to read about this synthetic fibers. What are these synthetic fibers actually? As we know, synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. So these fibers are made from chemicals, and their quality, properties depend upon the chemicals which we are going to use to obtain these synthetic fibers. Alright, so different chemicals are available in the market to making synthetic fibers. As we have heard about the different kind of fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, these are the kind of synthetic fibers. And we have heard about the word plastic. What is plastic? Plastic is actually a synthetic material, alright, which is made up of polymers. So what is polymer word? So यहाँ पर two words arise हो रहे, that is polymers and the monomers. Polymer two words से मिलकर बना हुआ है, that is poly plus mer. Similarly monomer भी दो words से मिलकर बना हुआ है, that is mono and the mer. So word mono means is single and mer means unit. Similarly poly means many and mer means unit. So single unit is known as monomer and many units which is joined together is known as polymer. Okay, so when we combine these monomers to obtain a very big molecule, this big molecules or chain of monomers is known as polymers. Alright, as we can say beads, chain, the chain of beads is known as polymer and that particular bead is known as a monomer. Okay, so polymer can be natural or it can be synthetic. We had heard about the word glucose. Okay, that glucose is a natural monomer, which formula is C6H12O6. Alright, so glucose is a natural monomer which combine together to form a sucrose. This sucrose is a natural polymer of glucose. Okay. Next, these plastics, nylon, polyesters are synthetic polymers. Alright, these polymers contain carbon. These carbon has a long chain which connected together are linked together. All right. So example, ethylene. Ethylene is a monomer having formula C2H4, and these monomers when combined together to form a polymer, and this polymer is known as polyethylene. Alright, as this polymer polyethylene is made up of ethylene, so its name is polyethylene. Alright. Similarly, nylon. Nylon is a polymer of polyamide. As its name suggests, polyamide. Amide word means that it contains amide group, that is CONH. This is a amide group. Okay. Now the process of joining monomers to form a polymer is known as polymerization. Alright. These monomers can combine together to form a polymer in different ways. Alright, like they form a long chain that is known as a linear polymer, or they may arrange in a form of cross-link. So this is known as a cross-link polymer. As you have seen in this, these monomers are combined in a form of chain. Alright, so this is a linear polymer. Now these polymers are combined in a chain as well as in a cross-link form. So this is known as cross-link polymer. Alright, so this is the basic difference between a long chain polymer and a cross-link polymer. So let's start with another type of synthetic fiber, that is a rayon. Rayon is a first man-made fiber that is prepared from cellulose. So cellulose is a kind of a plant product. Alright, it is obtained from the wood pulp. So rayon has a silk-like appearance. So it is known as artificial silk. Alright, this cellulose is treated with another chemicals to change it in an artificial silk-like long thread. Alright, so first way to prepare synthetic fiber, that is viscose process, and second one is acetate process. In viscose process, we have to prepare a viscous liquid. So to prepare viscous liquid, we have to treat this cellulose with an alkaline solvent. This alkaline solvent may be NaOH. NaOH means sodium hydroxide. Then this viscous solution get dry and convert into the sheets, and these sheets shredded into crumbs, and then these crumbs are treated with carbon disulfide and dissolved in ammonium solution. Alright, so this viscous solution then pass in a dilute sulfuric acid with the fine holes. Next one is acetate process. In this, cellulose, as its name suggests, acetate process. So in this, cellulose is treated with the acetate, alright, to turn it into the rayon. But this method it's not so popular as we doesn't obtain any good fiber from it. Alright, the rayon which is produced through this method is not a good fiber. Next, properties of rayon. As we have seen, this rayon has a silk-like properties. So it is a good absorbent, lustrous as silk, and retains crease in this. So this silk, or we can say this artificial silk, is used to making dress as it's soft, absorbing moisture. All right, or it is used in making curtains, making upholstery of for luxury cars, and for making nylon tires, making magnetic audio tapes, and of course when it mixed with fiberglass, it is getting so much strong, that is it is used in making helmets. All right, so this is all about the rayon, how this rayon is very useful for us. And as we have seen its properties, that is it is very good absorbent of the sweat, or we can say moisture. So it is very useful in making dress. All right, and this is your homework. Question number 1, what are synthetic fibers? Question number 2, what is plastic? Question number 3, list some raw materials used for preparing plastic materials. Question number 4, which base material is used for synthesizing rayon? Alright, so you have to do all these questions in your copy. Thank you.